Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study 3 most easy freelancing jobs you can do with no skills. First one is logo design. The first website I'm going to use for this is freelogodesign.org. Enter the text you need to show in your logo and then choose the category. Then click on get started. Now you can use these tabs and edit your image and design your logo as you like. Then you can download your logo for free. Second website is Canva. There are many free templates in this website you can use for logo design. I'll go through those template categories and designing process in a separate video. Just click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the notification when I upload that video. You can create a free account of purchase pro features and download a design. The third website I'm using is Hatchful. Click on get started, then choose the category, then style, text you need to show in your design, then complete next step, edit the design as you wish. Finally, create a free account and download your design. Not only these three websites, you can use Logo Fury and several websites too. I'm not going to discuss about them as they are so similar to the above discussed websites. Move to the second job, image and video background removing. First website I'm going to use is remove.pg. You can remove image background from this website. Just upload the image you need to remove the background and get the final product. Capin. Upload the file or the URL of the file and get the finished product. The last job I am going to discuss in this video is icon design. You can choose a shape and background for your icon, and there are some controls you can use to design your icon. Finally, create a free account and download them. And that's all for today. Stay awesome, guys.